So last but not least, I will just explain again for the deposit money. So how you can be able to use it, because this is probably what you can do at this moment. Rather than that, you literally don't need to do anything. Just wait the opening sale of the Black Friday. Okay. So first of all, how it works, we simply you just place an order with for $30. That is the money you have to purchase. Okay. You can just purchase right on the page that we have been listed out, and you paid money, and then we will offer you the unique discount code. We will send you directly and privately to your account. That is for $60, and so this $60 can be applied onto things, onto printers like scanners and of the CR Scan 01 or the CR Scan Lizard, and the engravers like the Falcon 10 watts or 5 watt ones, and the CR5 Pro series, Industry S1 series, Ender 6, the CR10 Max, CR10 Smart Pro, CR6 SE, and Halot One, CR30, Industry V2 New, Industry New Max New, and literally most of the printers that are popular printers are can be applied onto this is $60 voucher. So just feel free about if you are really would like to purchase any new printers from us, you can just use this $30 deposit money and can be applied to now, and it will be expires on 30th of November. So once the promotion ends, the voucher will be invalid. Okay, so you have to use it within this time period, which is the Black Friday promotion season.